Boeing's delays in the development and delivery of the Boeing 777X have caused Cathay Pacific CEO Rupert Hogg to express his frustration. He has publicly criticized the company for missed deadlines and technical setbacks, emphasizing the impact these delays have had on the airline industry, particularly for airlines like Cathay Pacific that have committed significant resources to the 777X. The timeline for the 777X's delivery and the specific reasons behind the delays have also been the subject of Hogg's calls for increased transparency from Boeing. Initially, Cathay Pacific expected to receive its first Boeing 777-9 aircraft in 2025. The delivery timeline has been postponed by Boeing until 2026. Hogg underscored the significance of dependable delivery schedules for airlines to plan their operations and prevent service disruptions effectively. The 777X program's delays have raised concerns about Boeing's capacity to satisfy the evolving needs of the airline industry, even though Cathay Pacific has been a long-time Boeing customer and has operated a significant fleet of 777 aircraft. So which other airlines could have suffered from these delays? Although the Boeing 777X's specific delivery schedules to various airlines in 2025 and 2026 are not publicly available, it was anticipated that several significant carriers would receive these aircraft. This includes Emirates Airlines, All Nippon Airways, Air India, Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, Etihad Airways, Korean Air, British Airways, Cargolux, Ethiopian Airlines, Silkway West Airlines, and the Lufthansa Group, which includes Lufthansa, Swiss International Airlines, and Austrian Airlines, has placed an order for the 777X and is expected to receive the aircraft in the near future. Boeing has received about 641 orders distributed between 777-9, 777-8, and 777-8F models. Emirates, a prominent operator of the Boeing 777 family, has placed substantial orders for the 777X and is anticipated to receive its first deliveries in the coming years. Qatar Airways, an additional substantial figure in the aviation industry, has also placed substantial orders for the 777X, with preliminary deliveries anticipated to take place within a comparable timeframe. Speaking during a 23rd May investor conference, Boeing Chief Financial Officer Brian West said the manufacturer still expects its 777-9 will enter service in 2025, despite concerns raised by executives with two 777-9 launch customers, Emirates Airline and Lufthansa, that they might not receive the jets until 2026. At the IAAGM in May, Lufthansa Group Chief Executive Carsten Spohr echoed concerns about the timeframe. Officially, the delivery is still in 2025, at least for Lufthansa being the launch customer. And of course, unless Boeing changes, that's the information we use, he says. In a statement in October 2024, Emirates Airlines President Sir Tim Clark stated that his airline has had to make significant and highly expensive amendments to our fleet programs as a result of Boeing's multiple contractual shortfalls. He also stated that, given Boeing's current circumstances, he couldn't see how Boeing could make any meaningful forecasts of delivery dates. Emirates' fleet is built around the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A380 double-decker, the latter which is no longer in production. As a result, the airline president has been compelled to conduct an extensive and costly retrofit program on current jets to extend their lifespan. The Boeing 777X program has faced significant delays. Initially scheduled for delivery in 2020, Boeing announced in October that the first 777X deliveries will not occur until at least 2026. This represents a delay of at least 6 years from the original timeline, causing considerable disruption to the fleet plans of the airlines awaiting these aircraft. Boeing said it is cutting 17,000 jobs, accounting for 10% of the workforce, delaying the 777X to 2026, and terminating the 767 commercial freighter program in 2027. The Boeing 777X program has encountered substantial delays and obstacles, predominantly as a result of its innovative features and intricate design, including folding wingtips. The COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated the delays in the development and testing of these technologies, which have taken longer than originally anticipated. The global health crisis not only halted production, but also significantly impacted supply chains and held down essential testing processes. Furthermore, the Boeing 737 MAX's grounding exerted additional pressure on the company's resources, thereby detracting attention from the 777X program. The production timeline was further complicated by a recent strike by the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers. This has resulted in significant financial consequences for Boeing, such as a colossal $6.5 billion write-off associated with the 777X program. The question is whether Airbus can meet the demand. Airbus has a strong competitor in the form of the A350-1000, which is often compared to the 777X. While the A350-1000 is a capable aircraft, it may not be able to fully meet the demand for ultra-long-haul, high-capacity aircraft that the 777X is designed to fulfill. The Boeing 777X and Airbus A350-1000 are both advanced wide-body aircraft designed for long-haul flights, but they differ significantly in terms of capacity, range, fuel efficiency, and production capabilities. The 777X offers a higher passenger capacity, accommodating up to 426 passengers in a two-class configuration, making it particularly suitable for airlines that need to transport large numbers of passengers on long-haul routes. In contrast, the A350-1000 typically seats between 315 and 369 passengers, with a maximum capacity of 480. When it comes to range, the A350-1000 boasts an impressive maximum range of 8,700 nautical miles, while the 777X is designed for even longer haul flights, particularly the 777-8 variant, which has a maximum range of approximately 7,285 nautical miles. Both aircraft are recognized for their fuel efficiency. However, the 777X is expected to deliver superior fuel economy due to its advanced technology and design features. The A350-1000 has a fuel burn of around 32 pounds per nautical mile, while the 777-9 burns approximately 48 pounds per nautical mile. Despite this difference in raw fuel consumption figures, airlines often consider fuel burn per passenger when evaluating efficiency. The A350-1000's lighter composite structure contributes to its overall operating cost savings and efficiency. Production capacity is another critical aspect where Airbus may face constraints if demand for the A350-1000 surges. This could limit their ability to deliver aircraft promptly. However, Airbus has a strong track record of producing high-quality aircraft and may be able to scale up production to meet demand effectively. Now, do you think Boeing will fall in the rushed timelines and questionable safety trap again? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.